Hello! In today's video, we'll learn how to create a consistent character in Leonardo AI. This feature is available for those who have purchased a subscription. Afterward, we'll evaluate the results, the quality of the work, and the ability to continue working with the created characters. For example, animating them using motion or using other neural networks that allow creating higher quality and longer videos using images. Let's go! Select a preset. Let's choose Cinematic Keynote. Then select Character Reference. Choose or upload an image. Click on the arrow next to the image and set Strength to High. Then describe the image. For me, it's young Slavic woman, blue eyes, long light blonde hair, soft waves, full lips, small silver hoop nose ring, fair smooth skin, pleasant expression, natural beauty, minimal makeup, realistic proportions. At the end of the prompt, after the description, write how you want her to appear. For example, walking slowly through a forest path, dappled sunlight on her hair and shoulders, soft smile, calm and dreamy mood. Click Generate. Next, in the same way, generate another image, but with a different action. Sitting by a large window, resting her chin on her hand, looking outside with a dreamy gaze, soft afternoon light casting gentle shadows. Then, with this action, playing with a golden retriever in a green park, kneeling down, laughing while petting the dog, casual summer outfit, bright and cheerful atmosphere. Next, standing in Paris. The images are ready. Now let's animate them and combine them into a single video in the editor. On the first generated image, click Generate Video. Take the image from Paris, choose Motion Control Dolly In, then write the prompt. Young Slavic woman standing in front of classic Parisian architecture. Soft breeze moving her hair gently. Blinking slowly, giving a soft smile. Cinematic atmosphere. Natural motion. Serene and calm expression. And click Generate. Now take the image with the dog and do the same. Choose Orbit Left and write the following prompt. Young Slavic woman sitting in a green park with a golden retriever, gently petting the dog, smiling softly, the dog wagging its tail, warm sunny day, relaxed and happy mood, light breeze moving her hair slightly, cinematic feeling. Then take the next image by the window, select Tilt Up and write this prompt. Young Slavic woman sitting by a window, resting her chin on her hand, blinking. Slowly, gazing thoughtfully outside, soft melancholy expression, light breeze moving strands of her hair, cozy sweater, cinematic atmosphere, calm and introspective mood. Now take the last image, click Generate Video, select Dolly Out, and write this prompt. Young Slavic woman standing in a sunlit forest, soft wind gently moving her hair, blinking slowly, calm and serene expression, sunlight creating dappled patterns on her face and sweater, natural cinematic atmosphere, peaceful and dreamy mood. Now we have several videos. It's time to bring them together in the editor. Here's what we got.
Believe in your own journey. Cherish the simple moments. Dream beyond the horizon. Grow quietly, like the trees.
I combined the frames in the editor, added music and sound, and ended up with a cohesive video. Most importantly, we achieved a consistent character. Try it yourself. Have a great day and successful renderings.